Welcome to the Vincennes University Shake Library. In this video, I will show you how to use our virtual reality rooms. Our VR rooms are available for students, faculty, and staff to use educational software or play fun games. In order to use one of our VR rooms, you must reserve it. You can do this by going to the Shake Library homepage and clicking the virtual reality room icon located under the web chat. You can also get to this page by using the tablet next to each room. Once there, you'll choose the time you'd like to use the room. Please note that the VR rooms can only be reserved for 1 hour. The times available are limited, so the sooner you reserve, the better. Once you've chosen your reservation time, click Submit. This will take you to the Terms and Conditions page. Please read through it carefully. After you've read through the agreement, click Continue. On the next screen, you must fill out your name, email, and a number before you hit Submit My Booking. After you've submitted your booking, you will receive an email either confirming or declining your reservation. When it's time for your reservation, head to the information desk. Once there, you will need to read the health and safety guidelines and sign the liability waiver. After that, the staff will check out the room to you, so please have your student or faculty staff ID ready. Once the room is checked out to you, a staff member will take you to the room and get you set up. After entering the room, the staff member will explain how the Oculus works and ask if you would like to use the VR standing up or sitting down. For those who are prone to experiencing vertigo, we recommend sitting down. Before putting on the headset, a protective covering will be applied to the headband and the headphones in order to prevent the spread of germs. Next, put on the headset, adjusting it to fit. Then, attach the controllers to your wrist via wrist straps to prevent them from hitting the floor in case of accidental drops. After you've put on the headset and controllers, the first program every user must go through is the Oculus Touch Basics. This short program will show you the basic controller inputs that you will need for most programs. After you've completed the tutorial program, tell the staff member which of our featured programs you would like to use, and they will start the program for you before leaving the room. If you are having trouble with the program, staff members may be able to help you, but it is not guaranteed. Once you are done with the program, remove the headset and the controllers and place them on the table. Don't forget to remove the protective coverings on the headset. Then, head to the information desk to check the room back in. Failure to check a room back in on time will result in a fee added to your account. If you want to learn more about Shake Library and the services we offer, you can watch some of our other videos, like our library tour and evaluating resources, which are located on our YouTube page, The Shake Library. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you soon at Shake Library.